Now, under salary comprehensive problems, first practice one. Compute taxable salary of Mr. Arul from the following details. Salary 15,000 per month, DA 4,000 per month, bonus is 6,000 per annum, house rent allowance received 5,000 per month, he lives in his own house, advance salary received, arrears of bonus received, employer and own contribution to RPF 21,000, interest credit to RPF at the rate of 12%, rupees 24,000, conveyance allowance received 24,000, 60% actually spent, uniform allowance received 6,000, LIC premium contribution. These are the full information. So in this we have to apply the standard procedure. So first we have to compute the basic part. Basic pay 15,000 to 12, 1,80,000. DA 4,000 per month, so 48,000. Bonus 6,000 per annum. These three were fully taxable. House rent allowance received 5,000 per month. He lives in his own house, so he did not pay any rent. So we cannot claim exemption under section 1013A. Actual house rent allowance was fully taxable, 60,000. Next, advance salary received 25,000, taxable. Arrears of bonus received 3,000, fully taxable. Next, employer and own contribution. It's a fourth part, pills part, we'll see later. Next, interest credit to RPF, also fourth part, we'll see later. Next, in conveyance allowance received 24,000, of which 60% actually spent. So actual allowance 24,000, out of which 60%, 14,400 was exempted, bank taxable. Next, uniform allowance. Uniform allowance was fully exempted under section 1014. Uniform allowance, daily allowance and academic research allowances were fully exempted. So need not account. LIC premium paid by him, this amount qualified for ATC. Contribution to PPF also ATC deduction amount. So in this now we can go for pills part. In this problem, basic part is there and allowances part is there, but no information about even a PEX part because it is house rent allowance based problem. Now we shall go for employer contribution to RPF. Actual amount is 21,000, but we can claim exemption up to 12% of salary. Salary means basic plus DP plus commission. In this problem, we got only basic pay. So 1,80,000 into 12% amount to 21,600. But actual employer contribution is only 21,000. So this 21,600 limited to the 21,000. So taxable portion will be nil. Interest credit to RPF at the 12%. For 12%, 24,000. We can claim exemption up to 9.5%. So balance only taxable. So the gross salary will be 3,36,600. Less we can apply standard deduction under section 16(1), 50,000. So balance the taxable salary will be 2,86,600. In this amount, qualifying amount for ATC is own contribution to RPF 21,000, LIC premium paid by him 14,000, and contribution to PPF 50,000. So totally 85,000 is actual amount, or ceiling amount 1,50,000, whichever is the least. 85,000 is qualifying amount for ATC. In the same pattern, the listeners can practice exercise 1. Now we go for practice 2. Comprehensive salary problems, practice 2. Mr. Armugam is an employee of a company in Nagpur. Population exceeds 25 lakhs. He supplies the following information. Basic salary 30,000, DNS allowance 5,000 per month, employer and own contribution to RPF 14% of salary. He is provided with a rent-free house owned by company, the rental value being 1,80,000. Interest on RPF credited at 13% per annum, rupees 3,600. LIC premium paid by the company 15,000. LIC premium paid by company. It was taxable in hands of employee and also qualified for ATC. And the professional tax paid by him, this amount was qualified for deduction under section 16(3). Reimbursement of medical bill from a company. Contribution to NSS, qualifying for ATC. Own contribution to URPF, this amount will be ignored. URPF contribution by employee. Employer contribution to URPF, it was fully taxable. Arrears of salary also fully taxable. In this problem, everything was merged, that means a mingled information, so we have to segregate in our standard format. First, basic pay 30,000 to 12, 3,60,000. Next one is dearness allowance 5,000 to 12. Next one, arrears of salary. The lost information will be recorded as a third one for the standard procedure. Next is we go for rent-free accommodation. Salary means year basic pay, DNS allowance, and arrears of salary. Actually, DNS allowance will be excluded for the meaning of salary for rent-free accommodation, and arrears of salary and any advances also be ignored. So we have to consider only the basic pay, 3,60,000. The city is Nagpur, and the size of the population is about 25 lakhs. So 15% of 3,60,000 will be taxable in the hands of employee. Next one, LIC premium paid by company. It was taxable in the hands of employee and also qualified for deduction under section 80C. Next one, reimbursement of medical bill from a company, fully taxable in the hands of employee. Next one, employer contribution to URPF, fully taxable. Last part, pill spot, employer contribution to RPF, 14% of salary. That means 3,60,000 into 14%, of which up to 12% we can claim exemption. So balance only taxable. Interest credit to RPF at the rate of 13%. For 13%, 3,900 means what for 9.5%? That is exempted. Balance only taxable. So the gross salary will be 5,60,250. Less we can avail standard deduction under section 16(1), 50,000, and professional tax paid by him rupees 2,500. This amount for eligible for deduction under section 16(3). So balance 5,07,750 will be the taxable salary. The qualifying amount for ATC for this in this problem is own contribution to RPF 50,400, LIC premium paid by company 15,000, and the contribution to NSS 30,000. Actual amount is 95,400. Or the ceiling amount 1,50,000, whichever is least. In this problem, one note is there, own contribution to URPF not eligible under section 80C, so we ignored. In the same pattern, the listeners can practice exercise 2. Okay, bye. We'll see in the next comprehensive salary video. Bye.